Paco. Paco's a pretty bird. Hi, Paco. Bye, Paco. And then sometimes she asks what you're doing, but that's only because Paco wants to know what you're doing. Does anybody have questions about Paco? You are a pretty bird, aren't you?
Are these?
That's right, you are. But
Are
I didn't ask you for that, though.
Are these like any special? You just got out in the wild and got some twigs, and that's okay for her?
What do you mean?